a photo of it definitely ground.
Okay. Because last time it was too much of the floor. No? Somehow I like this. Ow! Foot! Shit! Or we want to go up here or we don't want.
Just straight and then turn left.
So if you turn left, you're going to have to take a much bigger turn to come back, you know that, no? Like
Yes.
over the top.
I remember we went over there because I hope it's going to be. I remember.
Yeah.
Last time I meant you can have a peek into that.
Yeah, I know, yes.
Oh,
It's so dark and you can't really see me. I need to put a light on. I don't have one. I could take the phone and shine in there. Huh?
Are there more people today?
Uh,
Last Monday or?
I think so.
I've been running a lot of time, foamy and happy and wide open and all this.
Oh. Yeah. Well, yeah, my head was not feeling good, but I think it's not going to go to a migraine now. Hope so. I'm in no mood for that.
You ever watch nature videos? I mean the ones you made.
Don't understand the question.
Like you.
Yes. Like a cause.
Yeah, I was
Yeah,
thinking
yeah.
maybe not the same.
No, I
Go
do.
a little slower, please.
Okay.
And it's the same relaxing or really.
Sometimes, yeah. Sometimes I get droning sound in the car.
That's what I meant, because it obviously doesn't have that sound.
The droning and it's like similar stuff the whole time. But I do think so. So I think the car is more because it's a drone and it's soft. Like, the driving is more.
Yeah.
But it maybe if I get better nature videos, then it would be also great. I don't know.
If you could hear the nature bit, then maybe that would be something.
Yeah.
It
It does.
waves videos and stuff that calm people.
Yes, the wave video I watch that a lot and get calm. I have one like that.
There's two little birds on here. Crazy sometimes when I get voice messages from Switzerland. You can hear birds song in the back like crazy. But here has two little birds.
Also, I have to put a kind of a voice filter on, so. But that doesn't actually take away the nature sound. It doesn't. It's still there.
But it does distort it, I guess.
Not really. Still quite similar. So straight hier nog, maar niet zo.
just thinking, if you come out here, because you could go this way around.
You wanna go there and come back here?
No?
Try it. I don't know where it goes.
Let's just, I think it was one of this part
I'll just walk in front, okay?
That's fine, let's just keep on picking.
I wonder what's this thing here?
Maybe it was a bunker.
I don't know. You can go here with a bicycle.
I remember that. Oh,
Yeah, I can come do that sometime.
I don't know if we can do that with our bicycle.
Yes, you can. Okay, we have the shock absorbers on the front. The day when I went to it, Pang, down there so freaking fast, I was like super fast down the possible baboons. He also only had one shock absorber on his bicycle. I can't remember what it was. Yeah, only on the front. I don't think he had on the back. And I used that one.
But also, I mean, our bicycles are all heavy. If you have heavy bicycles like that.
I can't remember.
Oh, I like this though. It's just like those. Oh,
Yo,
much more.
this almost reminds me of that one piece there where by the river next to Lensburg, remember? But okay, it's a little bit more foresty here.
Oh, you mean,
And then the river. But there's no river.
there's a little creek that's dry.
There's water river down here. In winter, there's lots of water coming down here. But now, nothing. Oh, I like its smell. I think it's good I came for a walk. I like this now. We're gonna do walks every Monday, around 30 minutes, and as we get fitter, could increase it. We're gonna explore different parts of Cape Town or in the region. So here's another, what do you call it, bifurcation. We go straight.
Yeah, let's go straight. I don't know if it goes very much down, maybe not.
Yeah, we can always come back.
I think this goes into the area, what do you call that? You know what people make?
Residential area. Yeah, me neither. So we just see where we go, okay? I saw a squirrel earlier, did you see that? No. Yeah, this is somebody's backyard. How do you like that? Huh? Yeah, I don't like it that these people can just live here and kill all the nice parts that we had, and now they just have stupid houses. And that area is also so expensive. And in my 54 years, I don't know any non-white people that live in Newlands. So it's annoying for two reasons. Firstly, they take away nice vegetation where I can walk. And secondly, you can't even live there. Or my people. So left. Yeah, this is where we came down, so must go left. Straight over. Yeah, another. Could be waters in winter. I think this is the first time I'm walking here. Yeah, you have to go back sometime, otherwise it's too much. I think it turns here now. Nope, not yet. You okay? I think this one might not come back. Let's just check till the end there. Which alarm bell? Okay, here's something. Let's want to see where this go. Yeah? And there's King Kong Land again. King Kong Land. Huh? I like that. It's not the best idea to walk with the shorts in this place. Pretty. King Kong Land. Yeah, if you come here to Cape Town and you walk, it's like this stuff can be very scratchy, but more worse than that is ticks in this nature. So best to wear long pants, not like me now. Ugh. Small birdies. King Kong. Maybe du hast Schlüssel, oder? Which one? This. Down, down. I like that crickets in the forest. Absolutely don't like them when I want to sleep in there around the room. But yeah, it's nice. That's so. Maybe one day they make videos where you can smell everything. Imagine that. And feel the stuff. Oh, I think that's scary. I don't know, but imagine you can mess around with your brain and do that, and it's become like the science fiction movies. Yo, not cool. Okay, maybe it's okay, but it can be used. Yeah, but it can be abused like everything else. Humans abuse everything. It was a nice walk, I like it. Here we hear some water, some water, or is it wind? Yep, little water. You can actually drink that water. that a 15 minutes? Oh yeah, because the cars they come up here and I don't know, do stuff.
No, but I mean, there's no, all the roads that lead to the medical are not
Yeah, check cars riding here. I want to come up here with my car. Ooh, no. So people drive around in Cape Town with SUVs that can actually do this kind of off-road. But nobody use, or let's say, most don't use their cars for that. They just use it, I don't know, for what? Why would you want such a big car in a city? So I'm not sure if you want to go down here. No, it's not. Oh, it is, yeah. Oh, damn. Oh, yeah. So we're just going back down here now? Okay. Here comes Harry Bicycle. I say, here comes a bicycle behind us. I don't know if he's gonna get here soon. Or maybe they turned. No, I saw, I heard and I saw, but didn't come. So, yep, back again to more or less where we started. Ding dong.